Hey there, fellow Disney Plus fans. Have you ever found yourself locked out of your account because you forgot your password? You're not alone. It's a super common issue, but the good news is, resetting it is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get back to binge watching your favorite shows like The Mandalorian or WandaVision without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Disney Plus website or open the app on your device. If you're on the website, look for the Login button at the top right corner and click on it. Once you're there, you'll see a Forgot Your Password link. Go ahead and click that. It's usually right below the password field. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Disney Plus account. Make sure it's the correct one, and then hit Submit or Continue. Disney Plus will send a password reset email to that address, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder, just in case it sneaked in there. Once you get the email, open it up and click on the reset link provided. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong, maybe a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, to keep your account safe from any potential hackers. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, hit Submit. You're almost there. Now, go back to the Disney Plus login page, enter your email and your shiny new password, and voila, you're back in action. If you run into any issues, like not receiving the email, double-check that you're using the right email or try requesting another reset link. Resetting your password not only gets you back into your account but also reminds us to update our passwords regularly for better security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and entertainment guides. What's your favorite Disney Plus show? Let me know in the comments below. Catch you next time.